Hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial. So in the series, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the environment to install the kubeadm, kubectl and all other that. So before we're gonna do that, we need to install the Docker. So I will put the link in the description as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna follow this guide. Yeah. So in here I have connect to like each VM. So as you can remember, this is for the VPN host, and in this one we don't need to install Docker because we are not planning to run any Kubernetes related thing in this VM. So we need to install the Docker in this one and this one. So let's type those two commands and let it work. So after that I'm gonna just copy these two. I'm gonna close this one because I think we don't need this one anymore to connect to this one. Okay. Yeah, so these two commands will download like 103 MB of archive. So in my internet connection it will download slowly, so I'm gonna pause the video. After the install of the Docker, I will resume. See you guys. Okay, now the Docker is installed successfully. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna refer this guide to install the Kubernetes. Before that, we're gonna install the kubeadm. This is for like a bootstrap to initialize the Kubernetes cluster and all that. So so we need to install this one in the in our two nodes. Yeah, so I think let me scroll down. Yeah, let in IPWC bridge traffic. So I think we need to do this one. Okay, after that, uh, yeah, yeah. So I done this on the master node only. Actually, I can't remember whether I have done it in the worker node as well. So if this need to be done in the worker node as well, just let me know that in the comments because I'm not a Kubernetes expert. So after that, let's store these things. I think this thing need to be done in the worker node as well. Worker. Okay. After that, run this to the two nodes. Okay. Okay, guys. I just check uh, my one of my work nodes, and this thing I haven't done for the worker node. So it seems like this need to be only done in the master node. Yeah. And the other thing is, in the previous tutorial I have done some mistake. I just want to show you that. So let it finish. So if you go to the etc VPN, Softeather VPN's client, and vi start.sh. So in here previously I have put nothing after this, after the IP address. You need to put that one because it's subnet of 3 of 255s. Yeah, otherwise it will like randomly initialize the subnet mask for this network. Yeah. Okay, back to installing the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, I think I think the essential installing of Kubernetes cluster now that completed. I hope that you guys have more experience rather than me about the Kubernetes. I just want to show you how to network this using a VPN. So yeah, so let's meet in the next tutorial how to initialize the cluster and how to join the worker and how to run a simple deployment. Okay guys, see you in the next tutorial.